Welcome to Drop Alert. So today I'm talking about this particular testnet called the 3DOS network. So in this video I'll be showing you the step by step on how to do this particular testnet. So please do ensure you watch this video to the end. So if today is your first time you join us, please do ensure you subscribe to our channel and then you share and like our video as well too. So for a brief introduction as regards to this particular testnet, this testnet 3DOS network was they have raised $1.5 million for this particular airdrop, and this airdrop was launched on 2nd February 2025. So it's still early for us to jump into. Okay, so for those that are looking for early testnet that they can jump into, so this is the right one for you. So ensure you watch this video to the end. Now for us to sign up for this particular testnet, so to sign up you'll be needing just your email to sign up. Okay, so once you come over to this particular website, so the link is going to be down in the description. So just go over there, click on it, come over here to sign up using your email. So once you come over here, put in your email and then you put in create a password. Okay, so once you're done with that, then you register. Okay, ensure that you also add the referral code in there. Okay, so don't forget this process. Okay, so once you do that, you register. Okay, so now once you're done with this next thing, as you can see we have just registered. Okay, now next we have to do here is to put in that same email that you used to register and then the password as well too. So just do that, and then once you're done with that, you can then log into the main dashboard. Okay, so now let's log in. So now here is the main dashboard for this particular testnet. Okay, so once you do this, the first thing you're going to do is to come over to this place and then click on this. Okay, so once you do that, we're going to get to this particular page. Okay, so here we have to complete all these tasks. Okay, so I'll just do all these things, you just watch as we do that. Okay, now let's start with the first one here. So now coming over to this first one, we have to click on this link, and then we'll be taken down to the page for us to verify, and then we come back and claim our points. And so once you click the first one, you're going to head over to this place. Here you have to authorize your X account. Okay, so just click on it and then you'll be taken to your Twitter account for you to authorize your Twitter account. Okay, so you just follow the process and complete all the tasks. Okay, so now once you do that, so we're going to get here. As you can see, we have done that. So next we're still on it. Okay, so you just have patience. Okay, so now next we have to do is we have to come back to here and then we click on this follow. Okay, so we're taken to their the Twitter page for us to follow their main founder. So we just click on it, follow this account, and then head back to this place to claim, verify, and then you claim your point. Okay, so as you can see we have claimed the point. Okay, now then we have to head back to this place. Okay, so now we're done with the first one, so let's do the second one. Now here we have to follow them on their main Twitter page. Okay, so come over here, click on follow, and then you'll be taken to their main Twitter page for you to do that. Okay, so once you do that, just go back. Okay, and then you verify and then claim your point. Okay, so that's how we have to do this. Okay, so we are done with this. So now let's come back here. Okay, so now next we have to do is to join the Discord page. Okay, so click on this, click on join, and then head over to here, accept the invitation link. So now once come over to this place, first we have to verify our account. Okay, so now to do the verification, we have to we be taken to a new website for us to do the verification there. So just head over to here and then click on verify. So now we just follow the process. Okay, all right, so now once come over to this place, you have to have patience. Okay, still loading. Okay, head back down and then authorize your Discord. Okay, so now, so just like I said, we're going to be taken to another website for us to do the verification there. So now this is the website where we have to do the verification. So once you come over to this place, just head down here and then click on this. Okay, and then wait for it to complete this process. Okay, All right, so then you submit. Okay, so as you can see, we are done with the verification now. Once you're done with that, so we have to head back to here. Okay, and then verify. So you verify, and then you'll be able to claim your point. Okay, so all these tags, they are very quite easy to do, just to follow the process and then complete each quest. Okay, so now we are done with that, so now we can now claim our point. Okay, so as you can see, we are done with the Discord tags. Now come back to this place. Now next we have to join the Telegram. Okay, so you'll be taken to your Telegram page. So once you come over to this place, you have to join. Okay, we're done with this. Now last one, so come over, click on the last one, and now we're taken to this particular website. So now here in this website, there we still have other tasks we have to complete. Okay, just like we did in the first one. So just do it, and then come back and then verify and then claim your point. Okay, so let's just start with one here. Okay, let's start with this one. Okay, so let's click on this, click here. We're taken to here for us to follow this account. So those once you just do that, go back and then you claim, verify and claim your points. So all these tags are very quite easy to do. Okay, so just complete all these things. Okay, this one now we have to head over to the YouTube page and then subscribe, and then we take a screenshot and then come back here and upload it. Okay, so come over to this place, let's click on here. This is the main, their official YouTube page. So we follow them, subscribe here, and then take a screenshot of this particular site. Okay, and then come back here. So let's complete the task. Okay, so this is okay. Now let's complete it. So we upload the screenshots that we just did. Okay, and then we verify. Okay, so that's what you have to do in this particular one. Okay, so once you're done with that, you submit. Okay, so now let's do this next one. Okay, so here we have to join the Telegram page. We have already done that, but let's just verify. Okay, so you just do this and then claim all your points. Ensure you complete all the tasks. Okay, there are more ones here. Okay, so just ensure you finish all these tasks. So now come down here. So now this form, we have to just to join their websites, verify, come back here, claim your points. So very quite easy to do. So you just complete the remaining ones. Okay, so that's all you need to do here. So now the next thing we have to do here is to verify our email. Okay, so as you can see here, click on this, verify your email. We're taken to your Gmail account. So head over to your Gmail account and then you verify your account. Okay, so that's what you have to do, and then come back here and then claim your point. Okay, so once you're done with the verification of email, then you'll be able to claim your point. Okay, so you do that, okay, to ensure you complete all these things. So now once you're done with this, next thing we are going to do here is the most important one. We have to download the 3DOS e- extension. So to do that first, we have to come over to this place. Okay, come over to here, ensure you click on there, come over here, click on this. Okay, once you click on it, then copy this code. Okay, so then head over to this place. This link will now take you to here for you to download the 3DOS network wallet extension. Okay, so download it immediately, and then once you're done with the downloading, okay, so just come over here and head over to login, and then paste that code that you just copied, paste it over here, and then you log into your account. Okay, so now that's all you need to do as regards to this 3DOS network testnet. Okay, so you complete all these tasks. Now next you can do, just ensure that you follow them there at the Telegram, and then ensure you do a few tasks, complete all the tasks that comes up. Ensure that you are active there at the Discord for you to be seeing what is going on that place. Okay, so most of the things is going to be there on the Discord. Okay, so that's pretty all for this particular testnet. So please, if you have any question, you please do it to ask there in the comment section. I'll be there to answer all your questions. And then if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, please do it to support us by subscribing to this channel. Okay, now thank you and see you in the